The first product that we developed was Retroline, which was the internal conductive polymer self-regulating heating cable set. So they were designed, the application that I saw most often were people that had pipes running to wells or into a lake, and of course where we live is on the Canadian Shield, so we're on rock. You can't dig these pipes down. They may be in the ground, but they'll be shallow in the ground. In a lot of cases, they're in the ground and they come above the ground. But rather than have to excavate or take a pipe out of the ground or put in a new system, we thought, boy, if we made a system that you could slide inside the existing pipe to keep it from freezing, that'd save everybody a lot of money and a lot of time. And that's when we created Retroline. And Retroline just installs into an existing water pipe, and that was the first product 30 years ago. It's our largest selling product to this day. Not a lot of changes have been made in the product. Some ground fault technologies, safety technologies have improved over 30 years. When they improve, we improve along with them. So those things have got better as we've progressed through 30 years. Mm-hmm. The fitting technologies are the same. Outside of that, most of the products similar, almost identical to what it was 30 years ago.
You're an entrepreneur by heart.
Yeah, mm-hmm. I've always tried to think of things. You know, even when I was an apprentice electrician, I was doing stuff like I just get ideas and
lots of ideas.
Yeah, yeah. I guess I say to people now, it's not always a good thing when I go home to my wife and say, I got an idea today. But
well, this was one idea that stuck.
Yeah. It comes from being at the where the problem is, being in the field, seeing the issue, and then rather than just going along with the flow, just say, boy, there's got to be a better way to do this. One of the things I often say is, and I said it before, was, you know, if a farmer's behind a horse on a plow, plowing his field long enough, he will think of a better plow. And if you look over the years in the farming industry, at the innovation and inventions that have come from the farm, it's absolutely amazing. Hundreds, if not thousands of innovations have come from there. Because people, men and women, they're in contact with the earth, they're working it, and they think of things because they're always, I guess as humans, maybe we're all mostly looking for a better way all the time. Our cars are much better today than they were 30 years ago too. So I guess it's necessary that we do that and make those improvements.